Hi guys, welcome again with the new videos. It's me Muhammad from Tobys, and today I'm gonna show you TY70 Pro. So remember guys, TY series all model available. So right now I show you like T70. So remember YouTube already have T60 Pro videos. So T80 and T100 on the way. So later I make video for you. So guys, this is the T70 70 watts, one light 72 together is a 140 watts. So let me show you inside the specification and quality of the product. So well guys, this is a special box. Let me show you how to display your shops, and this is very attractive display you can see here. High quality compass gear. So well guys, double copper heatsink, high quality CSP chip, high quality fan. So well guys, let me test this light in the tester and show you how many watt original power. Come on. So guys, you can see here this is 70 watt CSP light, 7000 plus lumens. Oh wow, nice, awesome guys. So well guys, let's try in the car and let's see how it looks like.
The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go going, going, going. I don't believe it, it's almost too good to be true. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go going, going, going. The way she moves, she's like a ballet dancer. She's shaking.
So well guys, wow, nice. So you see in the car how it looks like. So 140 watt, very strong light. I really enjoy the driving when I put this light in the car. So if you want to make order, visit our outlets, Dragonmart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. Stay with us. See you next video. Bye bye.